By cleansing your skin morning and night with a cleansing milk, you are not only removing any impurities and makeup that build up throughout the day and overnight, but you are also enhancing your skin with hydration, helping to keep it soft and supple. Samisha brings you facial cleansing milk for natural, healthy and beautiful skin. It's enriched with natural ingredients like aloe vera, green tea, almond oil and rose that will gently remove dirt, makeup and impurities while maintaining the skin natural moisture and pH level. It is an excellent skin cleanser that will soothe skin, cure infections. It suits all skin types. Samisha cleansing milk gets absorbed deeply into the skin and brings glow within. Deeply cleanses skin, deeply hydrates and nourishes skin, soft and supple skin, removes impurities and makeup, promote a more youthful complexion, natural aroma refreshes mind, completely organic. Wash your face properly with fresh water. Apply Samisha organic facial cleansing milk in a circular motion on the face and neck. After few minutes, wipe it off with a moist cotton pad. Rinse it with water and pat dry. Click on the link given in the description box to get this. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.